Today we're cooking biscuits from scratch. Honestly, I've never even had biscuits. I think this is the first time I've ate a biscuit.
I teach the biology of food. Food is something that is tangible to everyone. We talk about micronutrients, metabolism, fermentation, genetics. This concept of biology is reflected in this thing that I could see, touch, smell, taste.
Not bad.
Very good.
And I think that makes it easier to connect with students.
With this class, it kind of makes you realize this food I'm eating, there's something happening on the smaller, microscopic level that someone might not realize.
I'm not really a science gal. I was definitely a little stressed, but it's really unique. Walking into this lab today, I did not expect to be making biscuits.
You're actually hands-on doing something. In most classes, for example, real estate, you're just learning about it. You're not going and building a building in class. Here, we're learning about the food, and then we're going and making it.
I hope that they find that biology is not as scary as they often think it is. Most of them are not science majors. They're all kind of bonded through this interest in food and learning how it's made. So I always find that to be the great unifier, regardless of whatever it is the students are actually studying.